Hi, my name is Denise Crowley, and I'm about to do a play along for the song Twist and Shout. I always give this to my beginner students, and I know it's a faster song, but I always tell them to just do the intro slowly, which is 2 C chords, 2 F chords, and 4 G7 chords. So it's C2, F2, G7, and just keep playing C, F, G7, C, F, G7. So I tell them to just work on that, and if you could play it with your eyes closed. Shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. You know you look so good. You know you got me going now. Just like I knew you would. Well, shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. F and G7. Come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. You know you twist, little girl. You know you twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now to let me know that you're mine. Now you just play G7. Ah, ah, ah. Well, shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. You know you twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now, and let me know that you're mine. Well, shake it, baby, now. 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 That's it. That's the whole song. And it's really a lot of fun to learn. And to learn that chord progression, 2, 2, and 4, there's so many songs you could play with that. It's also la, la, bamba, da, 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 bamba. So la bamba, you could play with that. I can't think of other songs offhand. But I hope that you play along and practice with this song, because it's a great tool to use to learn the progression of C, F, G7. And you could do down up strums. Down up, 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 down up. Just a little tip. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Take care now.